usitishwe. Mheshimiwa Waziri, endesha kazi, fufua viwanda ili vijana wetu waweze kupata biashara. Kumalizia kabisa, Your Excellency, nataka kusema kwa gavana wetu wa Mombasa, kuona kuwa Mheshimiwa Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir sikupata nafasi ya kuongea vizuri pale KPA, lakini Mheshimiwa Rais, tumeona Taita Taveta wanapata something out of natural resource ambayo ni ya game park. Vile vile Narok County Council wanapata kitu. Sisi tunaomba kwa unyenyekevu pia katika Port of Mombasa, kama vile ilivyo Durban, kama vile ilivyo Long Beach, kama vile ilivyo Antwerp, na sisi tupate something ambayo inaweza kusaidia kaunti ya Mombasa. Asanteni na Mwenyezi Mungu atubariki. Thank you.
Your Excellency, I know time is not on our side. In the interest of the respect of the leaders that are here, I just recognize His Excellency Issa Timami, the Governor of Lamu. I equally recognize my brother, the Member of Parliament for Nyali, Mohammed Ali, who is here. I recognize Miraj, Senator. I see the Member of Parliament, Mudama, and I see your advisor, Nzai, who is right behind there, and the Chair of KPA, Benjamin. And I see my not so young brother, Hassan Omar Hassan, who is here. Asantin. Your Excellency, mine will be very brief, and I think I just want to state, I've had a sit-in with the motor vehicle assemblers. And when I did that sit-in, what we did agree was some of the issues that are there is on how we can be able to increase employment opportunities. I know and I recognize Kimani is here. As a Member of Parliament, I see Owen as well. These are people who can be able to do what needs to be done. Your Excellency, there's a difference between semi-knocked down and completely knocked down. A technical term, however, it is vital that we recognize these duty structures so that we can be able to now look at ways in which we can encourage such kind of setups that are here. And equally, I know this is a direction you've given when we were at the port. Equally, it is vital, Your Excellency, for the age limitation of vehicles. Otherwise, all these setups will be here and there will be nothing that we can be able to do. I think this is something that Waziri, my brother Moses Kuria, will be in agreement with. With those many words, thank you very much, Your Excellency. I also recognize the Honorable Member for Langata, who is here. Namona amenipatia macho mbaya sana. Asanteni sana na mbarikiwe. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Your Excellency Governor. Your Excellency, I just want to say, just